Congratulations on purchasing a Bud Industries XR2 45 two-post rack. A link to detailed assembly instructions came with the rack, but here is a brief demonstration of the steps involved. First, we recommend laying out all components on a table. You may want to put cardboard down to protect the surface. Start by mating an XR2 45 STRA with an XR2 45 STRB to create an assembled post segment. Attach 2 screws on the side of the combined STR segments where they overlap and 1 screw to connect the 2 mounting rails. Add 2 connecting brackets to the side where the square rack mounting holes reach the edge of the rail. You'll repeat these steps for the other 3 segment pairs. To build the tops and bottoms, attach one each of parts XR2BATA and XR2BBTB using the screw in the center top. Repeat for the other pair, noting the top and bottom are identical. Next, take 2 of the XR2 STR segments that you made before and slide them into the unit you have designated as the top cover. Use the opposite end from the one with the connector brackets. Loosely attach each STR segment to the cover with 6 screws, 2 on each face. Once all the screws are in place, tighten completely. Install 1 cage nut on the bottom square hole of each mounting rail. Add a cross tie and attach to each cage nut with a screw. Note these cross ties ensure that the unit is square for assembly and also provides additional support if you're not fully loading the unit with components. These can be removed after assembly if they interfere with the mounted equipment. Now for the bottoms. Again, insert the STR assemblies as you did with the top. Don't install your screws yet. Install the stabilizing brackets through the base into the STR assembly using 2 screws each and tighten. Be sure the flat portion of the bracket faces the ground. Then add the XR2BS bottom stand support and attach to the base through the stabilizing brackets with 4 screws, and then you're going to add a cross tie as you did the top. Now building the center section, mate the 2 halves of the EXT segments to create a post segment and attach with 2 screws. Put the bottom assembly on the ground and slide the extension segments on each of the arms through the connecting bracket and secure with 1 screw in each connecting bracket, and then tighten. Finally, slide the top assembly onto the EXT units and secure with screws. Be sure to check the unit and tighten all screws to 13 inch-pound torque. And that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to chat with us at www.budin.com or call us at 440-946-3200. Thank you.